Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. So, students, once again I am with you, and today I am going to teach you English literature from your reader book, chapter number 13, and the continuation of the chapter, The Chocolate Cream Soldier. So, guys, in my previous teaching, I read up to page number 115. So today I am going to start from page 116 and I would like to complete reading from the chapter. So guys, those you have book, you open your book, page number 116, and in the previous pages also there was conversation between the fugitive or the stranger and Raina, and here also we will find the conversation between Raina and the fugitive, the Serbian soldier. Man, welcome, welcome. It is professional to throw a regiment to cavalry on a battery of machine guns with the dead certainty that if the guns go off, not a horse or man will ever get within 50 yards of the fire. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw. The soldier, he is saying, the fugitive, he is saying that, have you seen the sight? I have seen the sight. That the gunshot, and in front of the gun, the cavalry, they throw the entire that soldiers, those who are in captivity, they throw, and in front of the cavalry, and the sound of the gunshot, and all the troop, that means the enemy troop, they die. Have you seen this? I have seen this. Raina, eagerly turning to him, as all her enthusiasm and her dream of glory rush back on her. Quite enthusiastically, she looks at the stranger. Did you see the great cavalry charge? Oh, tell me about it. Describe it to me. Raina was thrilled, and she was quite curious to know that if you have seen such cavalry, the cavalry, it is forwarding towards the enemy troop, and after that they start firing. Have you seen? If you have seen, then you please tell me. Man, well, it's a funny sight. It's like slinging a handful of peas against a window pane. First one comes, the two or three close behind him, and then all the rest in a lump. He says, really, it's a funny, all human beings, and those human beings are treated like the green peas. And if you throw the green peas towards a shut window pane, so what will happen? Someone will bounce, and the first one, then the first, that pea, well, it's funny sight like slinging a handful of peas. So first, that pea, that is the victim. I have seen it. If you throw it towards a shut down window pane. Raina, her eyes dilating as she raises her clasped hands ecstatically. Yes, first one, the bravest of the brave. If the first pea, one all amongst all those peas, that means first one is the bravest one. That means it is ready to die. It is ready to crush against the pain. Her eyes dilating as She raises her clasped hand ecstatically. Yes, the first one, the bravest of the brave. Man, prosaically. You should see the poor devil pulling at his horse. That means you are very much fond of sea, very much fond of watching that a poor guy is going to die or he is dying. You are fond of that to see. Then Raina says, why should he pull at his horse? Man, impatient of stupid a question, it's running away with him. Of course, do you suppose the fellow wants to get there before before the others and be killed? If the person he is on the horse's back, he will wait for that, or he will be ready for the gunshot. He will definitely run away. Man, impatient of so stupid a question, man says that it is really a stupid question. Why should he wait for that? Raina, I don't believe the first man is a coward. I believe he is a hero. The man says he will also escape. But Raina says, according to me, the first man, he is the hero who faces the gunshot or cannon in the battlefield. Man, good humoredly, that's what you would have said if you'd seen the first man in the charge today. Yes, maybe you are right. If you would have seen the first man today, how did he charge? How did he charge his, that means along with his cavalry?